Imagine witnessing the age-old art of glass blowing, strolling through a rainbow-colored village and uncovering the secrets of an ancient island all in one day. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to the charming islands of Murano, Burano, and Torcello. Get ready to sail across the emerald waters of Venice Lagoon and discover what lies beyond San Marco. Our adventure begins with a leisurely stroll from our cozy Venice Airbnb to the San Marco departure point. As we take in the beauty of Venice on foot, we feel the city's history and charm all around us. We board a boat at the docks, ready to whisk us away to our first destination, Murano. Renowned for its exquisite glassmaking, Murano offers a fascinating blend of tradition and artistry. We glide through the tranquil waters of the Venice Lagoon. The panoramic terrace offers breathtaking views, while our guide provides captivating commentary in multiple languages. As we approach Murano, the island greets us with its picturesque canals and charming buildings. Our first stop is a visit to a renowned glass factory, where we witness the mesmerizing process of glass blowing up close. Inside the factory, skilled artisans demonstrate age-old techniques passed down through generations. Murano's glassmakers have been crafting masterpieces since the 13th century. Watching them transform molten glass into delicate works of art is truly a magical experience. After the demonstration, we have about an hour to explore the island and shop for beautiful glass pieces. The artistry here is truly unmatched. Take some time to wander through Murano's quaint streets. The island is dotted with delightful boutiques and cafes, perfect for a leisurely stroll and a taste of authentic Italian coffee. With Murano behind us, we set sail for the colorful island of Burano, famous for its lace making and vibrant, brightly colored houses. Burano is a photographer's paradise. Burano's kaleidoscope of colors welcomes us warmly. As we take in the picturesque streets, we can't help but fall in love with the island's charm. With 2 hours of free time, we stroll through Burano's scenic streets where every corner is a photo opportunity. Burano quickly becomes our favorite spot, not just for its vibrant hues, but also for the friendly pigeon that add a touch of whimsy to our visit. As you see, we can't get enough of the pigeons.
Give him another one, give him another one. Oh my guys. Allez, you forget to faire lasagne before.
Burano's most striking feature is its vivid rainbow-hued houses lining the canals. Each house is painted in a different bright color, creating a cheerful and photogenic setting. Legend has it that fishermen painted their homes in bright colors to quickly identify them from the sea. We have the opportunity to visit a lace workshop to see the intricate craftsmanship in action. Burano is renowned for its intricate lace work, a craft dating back to the 16th century. Inside the lace workshop, artisans delicately weave threads into intricate designs, showcasing a craft that has been cherished through the ages. The finished pieces are exquisite, each telling a story of skill and patience. Here we meet a sweet lady about 98 years old. We are told she is the last hand lace weavers from her generation. Visit the Museo del Merletto Lace Museum to learn about the history and techniques of Burano lace. You can also find local artisans creating beautiful lace pieces in shops throughout the island. Indulge in a delicious Venetian lunch, sip on typical aperitifs, and enjoy some gelato at a local cafe, shop for lace souvenirs, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere.
See if you got a feet. You see Daddy?
Our final destination is Torcello, the oldest continuously populated region of Venice. It is steeped in history and mystery. Torcello's quiet charm is a stark contrast to the bustling streets of Murano and Burano. Known for its ancient architecture and tranquil atmosphere, Torcello offers a glimpse into the early days of Venetian civilization.
What kind of bridge is this?
Explore the island's natural beauty with a leisurely walk through its scenic landscapes. The island is home to various bird species, making it an excellent spot for bird watching. Torcello is one of the oldest continuously inhabited regions of the Venetian lagoon. Once a thriving settlement, it played a crucial role in the early development of Venice. The island feels almost haunted with its sparse population and rich history. Did you know Torcello was once more powerful than Venice itself? With an hour of free time, we explore the ancient cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta with its stunning mosaics and the mystical Devil's Bridge. The peace and quiet of Torcello offer a stark contrast to the more touristy parts of Venice, making it a perfect spot for reflection and relaxation, and to end our adventurous day.
Soraya. She, man, if it's a girl, it's she.
As we sail back to San Marco in the early evening, the sun setting over the lagoon, we reflect on our incredible day. From the glassworks of Murano to the colorful streets of Burano and the historic serenity of Torcello, this tour has been nothing short of magical. A special shout out to our tour guide, who impressed us by narrating in several languages, making the experience even more enjoyable. We highly recommend this tour to anyone visiting Venice. It's a full-day excursion packed with unique experiences and unforgettable memories. As always, I'll include the links to book your own Murano, Burano, Torcello, and Glass Factory tour in the description box below. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel and adventure tales and tips. Until next time, keep exploring, embracing the magic of life, and get out.